Hi guys, let me try this. So, the sum of the first two terms of an infinite geometric series is 30 and the sum of the entire series is 54. Find the sum of all possible values of the first term of the series. Okay, so we know if the first term is a, and then the second term is a times k, this sums to 30. We also know that I should change that to r. A times r is equal to 30. And then the second thing, a divided by 1 minus r is equal to 54. Find the sum of all possible values of the first term of the sequence. Okay. A is equal to 54 times 1 minus r, and then solve for r. We get 1/54th a is equal to 1 minus r. So then r is equal to 1 minus 1 over 54a. Putting this in here, we get a plus a times 1 minus 1 over 54a, and then I'll move the 30 over. Minus 30 is equal to 0. A plus a minus 1/54th a squared minus 30 is equal to 0. If we do negative, multiply everything by 54, a squared plus, it'd be 2 times 54, which is 108, minus 30 times 54, which would be, I'll do this now, 30 times 54, which would be 12, 5, and then add a 0, so we're left with 1620. Or a squared minus 108a plus 1620 is equal to 0. Okay, let's make sure I did everything right here. A plus a times r equals 0 is 30, yep. And then a over 1 minus r equals 54, yep. And then a is equal to 54 times 1 minus r. Yes. Okay, this seems to make sense. Now, I'm not going to be able to factor this. Yeah, so I'm going to try to solve this. A is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of 108 squared minus 4 times 1620 all over 2. Oh, this is diagonal. So that gives us 108 times 108. That's 10800, and it'd be this times 8, which is 864. So after 4, 6, 6, 1, 1. So, and then 4 times 1628, 1628 times 4 gives us 32, 80, 240, 400, 4,000. We're left with 2, 5, 7. Oh shoot, what can I do? This is with here. Oh, so 1, 5, 6, 6, 5. So 11664 minus 6512 gives us 2, 5, 1, 5. Okay, guys. Well, I gotta go, so I'm gonna pause this and I'll come back. But I'll see you guys later. Okay, let's finish this. So, I kind of forgot where I left off. What is this problem? Find the sum of the possible values of the first term of the series. Why am I doing it this way? The sum is equal to negative, or why isn't my mouse work? Oh, the sum is equal to negative b. So negative b is positive 108, so this should be our answer. Wow, so I was doing the quadratic formula for nothing. So time to look at the actual answer. That was really quick. I should have saw that beforehand. It is 108. Wow, so that's important. In the future, I need to remember to use VAS. Maybe I should even look at the, like, when I start, look at it and it says find the sum or find the product. Then note that, but I could have saved so much time, probably I would have made a mistake anyways. So I did get it right. Thank you guys for watching, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.